seventh canto Bhagavatam, chapter 15 or so. Narada Muni is describing the duties of the ashramas, different ashramas, ashram duties, activities, and qualities. So he's talking about brahmachari and vanapras and grihastha, sannyas. So when he's talking about brahmachari, he says brahmachari gurukule vasandantor gorohitam sudrida sorida. Sudrida sorida. He says that the brahmachari, or disciple, you can say, brahmachari disciple, he should live in the house of the guru, ideally. Brahmachari gurukule, he should live in the gurukul. Vasandantor guror hitam. Guror hitam means guru hitam, means he should live for the benefit and happiness of the guru. Vasandantor. Vasandantor means he or she should control their senses, should follow the four regulative principles that we all know about those, and other principles of behavior and proper moral principles and legal principles. He should control his senses. And then it says, Sudrida Surida. The brahmachari, because he's a young boy and he's living with this, usually in old days the gurus were married, mostly gurus were married, and they were rishis, and they had ashrams, so they were trained. So he's a young boy living there with the guru. So it says he should have Sudrida Surida. He should have a very firm sense of friendship with the guru.